What's up everyone? I'm gonna be doing another one of those tutorial videos like I did a few weeks back. We did a wash and top video for those who don't know, and this time it's gonna be of the interior because that video did pretty well. I'll have the video linked in the description along with the products and tools and things we used in this video. So go check those things out, and without further ado, let's get right into it. So we're in the car. To start off, I'm using this soft bristle detail brush from the Detail Factory, and I'm just using a vacuum, and I'm just basically just gonna go around the cracks and crevices and things that has dust, work my way top to bottom, and basically dust everything into the vacuum here. And this is actually like most of the work right here. Just doing this alone can clean a lot and make everything look a lot better. So I recommend doing it this way. And if you're not going from top to bottom, if you're just starting with the floors and then working your way up, then you're basically just gonna be throwing more dirt back on the ground. So I do it this way. You don't have to, but this is just the way I recommend. But yeah. Okay, so when we're all done vacuuming, basically you can now clean all the surfaces. I'm gonna be using P&S Express Interior Cleaner. It's just really good. This is basically my go-to. You can use also anything like Coach Chemi Polestar. You can use Car Pro Interior Cleaner. You can use whatever you want, but personally I like Express. Super good, dilutable. Smells really good as well. But yeah, so basically what I do is using that same brush we used to dust everything off with. You can use this to get in all the nooks and crannies and stuff. This car doesn't really need too heavy of a cleaning, so this soft bristle brush will do. You can use something like a boar's hair brush or an interior scrub mitt or something like that, but yeah. So I just start off by, you know, spraying the cleaner in the brush, and then I'll start scrubbing everything. You can also use an air gun on your air compressor to blow out all these cracks and crevices in here. I have one, I'm just not using it right now, but it makes everything go a lot faster. A little trick is if you pull your towel flat, go around the steering wheel, all you gotta do is shove, I don't know if you can see this, but shove your towel in the crack behind the steering wheel, put force on the back, and then you can clean really well behind there. Now onto the leather. I usually just spray the product on the leather like so. And you can either use the same brush that you've been using, or you can use this, what I like to use, I use a interior scrub mitt. I mainly use this if it's dirtier, but this isn't too dirty, so I'm just gonna stick with the brush. I'll have the scrub mitt still linked in the description as well. So for plastic trim and all that kind of stuff, I'm using Top Star by Coach Kemi. It's just so good too. And then for conditioner, I'm using Leather Star by Coach Kemi. Next, I'm going to start cleaning the glass. For that, I'm using Coach Kemi glass cleaner and a couple waffle leaf towels. Basically just, you can either spray it on the glass or you can spray it on the towel. Either way, it works fine.